Grok just became a serious business tool, and most people have no idea this even happened. XAI just dropped enterprise features that rival ChatGPT and Google. We're talking bank-level security, zero data training, and tools that let teams work together. This is not a small update. Let me show you why this changes everything. Grok just went enterprise. And I'm not talking about some small feature update. I'm talking about a full platform that can compete with ChatGPT Enterprise and Google Gemini. This is huge. XAI just launched 3 things: Grok Business, Grok Enterprise, and Enterprise Vault. And all of this is live right now, not coming soon. Live today. Here's why this matters. Most companies don't want to use AI because they're scared. They're scared their data will get leaked. They're scared AI will train on their private information. They're scared their competitor will somehow get access to their secrets. And honestly, those fears are real, but Grok just solved all of that. The biggest thing about this launch is the privacy promise. Grok will never train on your company data, ever. That's not marketing speak, that's a real commitment. And for businesses, that's everything. Because right now, most companies are blocking their employees from using ChatGPT or Claude because of data concerns. But with Grok Business and Grok Enterprise, that fear goes away. Let me break down what Grok Business actually is. This is designed for startups, agencies, and small to medium teams. You get secure team access, you get Google Drive integration, you can share conversations with your team, you get something called Projects and Collections API, which I'll explain in a second. You get centralized billing, so you're not dealing with 10 different invoices. You get usage insights, so you can see who's using what. You get admin controls, and you get the highest rate limits on the strongest Grok models. All of this with zero data training. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let's talk about Grok Enterprise. This is everything in Grok Business plus way more. You get custom single sign-on, you get directory sync, which is called SIM, you get advanced audit logs so you can track everything, you get enterprise security controls, and you get dedicated onboarding. This is built for big companies, regulated industries, and teams that deal with massive amounts of sensitive data. But here's where it gets really wild. Enterprise Vault. This is the feature that makes Grok different from everyone else. Vault gives you an isolated data plane. That means your data is completely separated from everyone else. You get application level encryption, you get customer managed encryption keys, your data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and you don't share any infrastructure with regular consumer Grok users. This is your data, your keys, your control. This is the kind of security banks use, and now any business can have it. And before we go further, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Grok to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to implement enterprise AI tools into your workflows, how to automate your business processes, and how to use tools like Grok Business to work faster and smarter. The link is in the description and comments. This is the best place to learn how to use AI at a business level. Now, let me tell you about the Google Drive integration because this is insane. Grok can search your entire Google Drive, but here's the smart part. It respects your existing permissions. So if you can't access a file in Drive, you won't see it in Grok either. Every answer Grok gives you includes citations, you get quote previews, you get highlighted sections. This is huge for research teams, legal teams, and anyone dealing with internal documents. You can ask Grok a question and it will search through thousands of files to find the answer, and it shows you exactly where that answer came from. Here's another feature that teams will love. You can share conversations, you can share a chat with your teammate and they can jump right in. But these links are access controlled. They're not public. You're not going to accidentally leak something to the internet. This is built for real collaboration. Now, let's talk about agentic search. This uses something called the Collections API. This is not just chat. This is real agent behavior. Grok can reason over data rooms. It can go through legal documents. It can analyze business models. It can search through huge internal knowledge bases. This is the kind of thing that used to take humans hours or days. Now, Grok does it in seconds. And here's something admin teams will actually care about. Everything is managed in one console. You invite users from one place, you manage access from one place, you monitor usage from one place, and you get one unified invoice for everything. API usage, grok.com usage, all of it. One place to handle everything. Enterprise teams love this kind of simplicity. Now, let's talk about what's coming next, because XAI already teased the future. They're working on more company app integrations, they're building advanced and customizable agents, they're improving sharing and collaboration features, and they're building deeper enterprise workflows. This is just the beginning. Grok is going to keep getting better and more powerful. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you run a startup, an agency, or a big company, you need AI, but you need AI that doesn't put your business at risk. You need AI that respects your data. You need AI that your legal team will approve, and now you have it. Grok Business and Grok Enterprise solve the biggest problem holding companies back from using AI, the privacy problem. Think about it. Right now, most companies have a policy that says don't use ChatGPT, don't use Claude, don't put company information into AI tools. And that makes sense because those tools might train on your data. But that policy also slows your team down. It makes them less productive. It makes them less competitive. With Grok, you can change that policy. You can say, use Grok, use it for research, use it for writing, use it for analysis, because we know our data is safe. And here's the thing. Grok is already one of the best AI models out there. It's fast, it's smart, it gives good answers. And now it has enterprise features that rival ChatGPT and Google. That makes it a real option for businesses, not just tech companies, not just AI enthusiasts, real businesses with real concerns about security and privacy. Let me put this in perspective. Before today, if you wanted enterprise AI, you had three main options: ChatGPT Team or Enterprise, Google Gemini for Workspace, or Microsoft Copilot. Now you have a fourth option, and that fourth option has stronger privacy messaging than all of them. That's a big deal. Competition is good, it makes everyone better, and Grok just raised the bar. Here's what you should do next. If you run a team, go check out Grok Business. If you run a company, go look at Grok Enterprise. And if you're in a regulated industry or you deal with sensitive data, go learn about Enterprise Vault. This is not theoretical. This is real infrastructure you can use today. And look, I'm not saying Grok is perfect. I'm not saying it's better than ChatGPT or Claude at everything. But what I am saying is that XAI just made a serious move. They went from being the cool AI assistant to being a real enterprise platform. And that changes the game. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Grok to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to implement enterprise AI tools into your workflows, how to automate your business processes, and how to use tools like Grok Business to work faster and smarter. The link is in the description and comments. This is the best place to learn how to use AI at a business level. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. This is a free community where we share everything we learn about AI tools, automation, and building better businesses with technology. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.